going to be covering variables in Java. Variables store data for processing, and you give them a name, which is an identifier, so you can access it later. So let's get started. So variables have types. For example, you can have ints, which represent integers, which are whole numbers. You can have doubles for floating point or real numbers. Other types include booleans, which are used to store true or false data. You can also have a string, which is used for storing text. And you can also have characters, which are used to store a single character. To create a variable, you start off with the type of the variable. So in this case, I'll write int, followed by the name of your variable, your identifier. Let's say age, and then you do an equal sign to give it a default value, and we'll type in 100, and you end the statement with a semicolon. So now we have a variable, which is an int. The identifier or the name of the variable is age, and the default value is 100. Let's create another one. So let's create a boolean living, and we'll say is equal to true. And again, we're just going to finish it with a semicolon. A string, which is used to store text data, we can do the same thing. We're going to say string my name equals, we're going to type in here ABCD, and we're going to finish it with a semicolon. As you can see, the string, when you give it a default value, you have to place it in quotes, just to tell Java that you're working with a string value. We're going to create a double here. A double, again, it's just used for working for floating point numbers. So double height equals 125.8, and we're going to finish it with a semicolon. Okay, that pretty much covers it for an introduction to variables. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next lesson.